Good morning students. Today we are going to see the chapter that is parts of computer. In last video you have learned what is parts of computer, what are the four parts of computer, that is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. These are the four main parts of the computer. The four main parts of the computer are monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Okay, this is the picture of monitor, then keyboard, CPU and mouse. Yes or no? In last video you have learned about the topic that is monitor and CPU. Yes or no? Today we are going to see the topic that is keyboard and mouse. First of all we will see what is monitor. Monitor, it looks like a television screen. How it looks? It looks like a television screen. Monitor, it looks like a television screen. Okay. Then we can see movies and cartoons on it. You want to see movies, you can see the cartoons, you can see in the monitor. Okay, what is a monitor? It looks like a television screen. Then you can see movies, cartoons on it. It shows a work that we do on a computer. Anything you're doing, anything with the help of keyboard, you're writing something, and where it has been displayed? On the monitor. Got it? How monitor it looks? It looks like a television screen. How the monitor it looks? This is a monitor. How it looks? It looks like a television screen. Got it? Then afterwards, next one, it was CPU. What is CPU? C, it stands for central. C, it stands for CENTRAL, central. Central processing unit. CPU, it stands for central processing unit. What does C stand for? Central. Where is CPU in this? This is in CPU. How it looks? It looks like a rectangular box. Yes or no? It looks like a rectangular box. And what is the CPU full form? The CPU full form, it is central. C stand for central. P, processing unit. Central processing unit. Got it? And what is the CPU? CPU is the brain of a computer. In our body also the brain is there. Yes or no? What you all keep? You all store the information. Yes or no? So whereas in computer, the brain of computer is CPU. Who is the brain of a computer? CPU. Who is the brain of a computer? That is central processing unit. That is CPU is the brain of a computer. CPU is the brain of a computer. Where it has been present? It has been present inside the CPU box. Where it has been present? It is present inside the CPU box. This is the CPU box. Here it has been present. Okay. It helps us, a computer, to think and work. We also have brain. What you do? You think and write. Yes or no? Whereas the computer too has a brain. This is known as the brain of a computer. What is this one? CPU. CPU is which is known as a brain of a computer. Okay. The next one. What is next one topic? First one, what you have learned, that is monitor and CPU. What is monitor? This is known as monitor and this is known as CPU. Now today we are going to see the topic that is keyboard and mouse. What is keyboard now? See, this is a keyboard. What is this one? This is a keyboard. Okay, this is a keyboard. What are in this? The keys are been present. What are this? Small time. These are keys present on it. What is this one? First of all, this is a keyboard. What is this one? Monitor. Then CPU. And next one it is keyboard. What is this? Keyboard. What are in this small presents here? See, what are this one? They are known as keys. What are they known as? Keys. Okay. The keyboard, what is the use of this keyboard? It is used for typing letters. You want to type letters, you want to type numbers or any symbols. So with the help of keyboard, you can type it. Okay. What is the use of keyboard? It is used to type. It is used to type. You want to type something, you want to type your name in this, so you can type with the help of keyboard. Okay, and what are this known as? See, the keyboard, it looks like this way. Okay, here the small keys are been present. What are this known as? That is known as keys. What are this known as? Keys. Okay, and see, what is this one? Keyboard. They are used to type letters. In this, letters are been present, the numbers are been present, symbols which are being present on the keyboard. Got it? What is a keyboard? Keyboard is used to type letters, numbers and symbols. Letters, number and symbols. Okay. The next one, it has many keys on the keyboard. It has many keys. See, this is known as keyboard. Okay, what are this one small buttons which are known as? These are known as keys. What are these known as? Keys. The small buttons which are being present on this keyboard. This is a keyboard. Okay, and what are this known as? The small buttons which are known as keys. What are this known as? Keys. In this, see, you're able to see here the alphabets are being present. Okay, the alphabets are being present. R, T, V, Y. These are what? Alphabets are being present. Then see here, the numbers are being present. Means in this keyboard you're having alphabet keys, number keys. Okay, and then other different keys on the keyboard. Got it? But today, see, the alphabet keys are being present. Number key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are all what? Number key present. And here alphabet key. See, A. Then afterwards S, Q, W. These are the alphabets keys which are being present on the keyboard. What is this one? This is a keyboard. Keyboard is used for typing letters. You want to type your name, so you can type with the help of keyboard. You can want to type the numbers, you want to type your roll numbers, so you can type with the help of keyboard. Here the numbers are being present, here the letters are being present. Okay, the next one, it is mouse. What is a mouse, by the way? Mouse, it looks like an real mouse. Mouse, it looks like an real mouse. Yes or no? See, this is what? Mouse, real mouse. Yes or no? And this is the computer mouse. Okay, what is this one? Computer mouse. Okay, and see in this now, what are this one? These are the two buttons present. Here it is left button and right button. How many buttons are present in this mouse? There are two buttons. There are two buttons. This one, it is left button and this one is right button. And see here in middle the wheel has been present. That is known as scroll wheel. What is this known as? Scroll wheel. Okay, this is left button, this is right button, and in between that is known as a scroll wheel. Okay, what is the use of mouse? Anything you want to click, you want to point anything, so you can, with the help of mouse, you can do it. How many buttons are there on the mouse? That is two buttons are being present. This is left mouse button, right mouse button, and in between the scroll wheel is been present. In between this scroll wheel is present. How many buttons are there? Two buttons. One is left mouse button and next one it is right mouse button. And in between the wheel which has been present, that is known as scroll wheel. What is this known as? Scroll wheel. Okay. A mouse, a computer mouse look like a real mouse. Yes or no? It looks like a real mouse. Yes or no? See, this is a real mouse. It has two eyes. So the computer mouse too has two buttons. Yes or no? This is left mouse, right mouse button. Then afterwards here tail has been present and here wire has been present. See here, wire which has been present. So it looks same only. Yes or no? So what is a mouse? A computer mouse looks like a real mouse. And how many buttons mouse has? It has two buttons. That is left mouse button and right mouse button. Okay, left button, right button, and in between there is a scroll wheel. What is this known as? Scroll wheel. Got it? So today what you have learned, that is keyboard. Keyboard is used for typing letters, symbols, numbers. What are this present on the keyboard? The keys are being present. What are they known as? Keys. What are these buttons known as? Keys which are been present on the keyboard. Got it? Then afterwards it has many keys on the keyboard. Then mouse. What is a mouse? A computer mouse looks like a real mouse. Yes or no? And how many buttons a mouse has? It has 2 buttons. That is, see, mouse it looks like this way. And like this, you scroll wheel. So, and here wire. Yes or no? So this is known as left mouse button and right mouse button. Okay, right button and left button. So how many buttons the mouse has? It has 2. That is left button and right button. So in today's video what you have learned, that is keyboard and mouse. And how monitors look? It looks like a television screen. Anything I am writing with the help of keyboard, where it is being displayed? On the monitor. And CPU it is central processing unit. What is a CPU? CPU is the brain of a computer. CPU is the brain of a computer. Got it? And then afterwards mouse. How many button mouse has? It has 2 buttons. That is left mouse button, right mouse button. And what is the use of keyboard? Is used for typing the letters, numbers. You want to type ABCD, you can type numbers and symbols. This is the topic, that is parts of computer. What are the 4 main parts? That is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. These are the 4 main parts of a computer.